Hi everyone, thanks for watching the Metro Boston Investor Report. My name is Bill Butler. I'm at Leading Edge Real Estate in the Melrose area. Hey, thank you for opening up this video and taking a look at this monthly newsletter you'll be receiving on a monthly basis. Basically, we'll have a lot of different components in it. Number one is this video where we'll talk about exactly what we're seeing in the marketplace with respect to rents and property values. And then all the data that we're getting and that we're talking about in this video is also included in this email. If you scroll down, you can take a look at it in more detail. Also encourage you to read, there's a great article here about how Boston investors are looking at motels and hotels that have gone out of business or are close to going out of business and converting those to condos and apartments. And then lastly, if you would like a specific report, obviously about your property's value or what the market rent is now, things are changing quickly. Please feel free, go ahead, shoot us an email back and we'll get that to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. We'll kick it off here talking about Boston. Right now, in terms of rentals in Boston, the median rental for a medium rent for a two-bedroom in Boston is $26.50. We've got a 25th percentile and a 75th percentile. The 25th is $22.62, and then the 75th for the more higher end two bedrooms are looking at $33.74. On to Medford, looking at Medford, median rent there for a two bedroom is $2,400 a month, with the 25th percentile at $21.28 and the 75th percentile at $27.89. Moving on to Malden. Malden, the median rent for a two bedroom is $2,200 a month, with the 25th percentile at $19.81 and the 75th percentile at $26.81. All this data gathered from rentometer.com. We will have these reports for you. They're located here in this email. Now, looking at property values for multifamilies in Boston. In the past year, values are up 9.6% with a median sales price of $849.5. So $850 for, this is 2, 3, and 4 families. The median days on market is 17 days, and the list price received is right just at 100%. We're starting to see rents increase in Boston. People are moving back to the city, and once we start seeing that, we're going to see property values increase as well. The investors are still out looking, and especially in the Boston area, where the lack of inventory is trumping the rise in interest rates. There's still a high demand there. Moving on to the suburbs of Boston, taking a look at properties. This is all towns in Metro Boston outside of the city. Property values are up 3.5% from last January, or I should say last February. Median sales price of $880,000 with a 22 median days on market. List price received is 99.5% of asking price, with only 4 months worth of inventory. So months of inventory is the amount of time it would take to sell off all the multifamilies under 4 units in the suburbs. Given no other properties came on the market, it would only take 4 months to sell off all of those. In Boston, it's only 2 months. So we're still at an inventory shortage right now. Would be, I think, the main difference you're seeing in multifamilies in the suburbs is that the people winning the bidding wars are the owner occupants. As there's such incredible stress on the single family market, a lot of buyers are moving to the multifamily market and are worried about cap rates. They aren't worried about gross rents. They just want an affordable place to live and build equity, and so they're turning to the multifamily market. So if you have any questions at all, or if you'd like an analysis of your property, rental, or property value, please shoot us an email back. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next month. Take care. Bye.